Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Talks.
Hi, we are so happy you are here with us today.
I am Emily.
And I am Jack.
Okay, Jack. Today's lesson is super important, and almost every beginner learner gets confused with it.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to use do, does, and did.
Jack, before we start, can I ask you something?
Of course, what is it?
Last week, you called the restaurant to make a reservation, remember?
Yes, I remember.
You said to the man on the phone, "Excuse me, did you have a table for tonight?"
Yes, what is wrong with that?
Jack, the restaurant is open right now. You should say, "Do you have a table for tonight?"
I said did? To a restaurant that is open?
Yes, the poor man on the phone was so confused.
Oh no, he must have thought, what is wrong with this person?
He actually asked you, "Sir, are you okay?"
Why didn't you tell me before?
I was saving it for today's lesson.
You see, this is exactly why do, does, and did are so important. Even I make these mistakes.
But don't worry, after today's lesson, you will never confuse them again.
And if you are new here, welcome to our Daily English Talks family.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell button so you never miss a new lesson. Okay, let's go. Okay, first, let's understand the basic idea behind do, does, and did.
Yes, because once you understand the basic idea, everything becomes very easy.
So, do, does, and did are all helping verbs. We use them to make questions and negative sentences.
Think of them like helpers. They help the main verb in a sentence.
Now, the difference is about two things. Number one, who is doing the action?
And number two, is it present or past?
So, do we use with I, you, we, they in the present.
Does we use with he, she, it in the present.
Did we use with everyone. I, you, he, she, we, they, but only in the past.
Present with I, you, we, they, do. Present with he, she, it, does. Past with everyone, did.
Say it with me. Do for I, you, we, they. Does for he, she, it. Did for the past.
Do for I, you, we, they. Does for he, she, it. Did for the past.
Perfect. That is the foundation. Everything else builds on this.
Don't worry, we have lots of conversations and examples coming up to make this super clear.
Okay, now let's go deeper into do and does with simple examples.
Remember, do is for I, you, we, they in the present.
For example, do you like coffee? We use do because we are asking you.
Do they speak English? We use do because we are talking about they.
I do not understand. We use do because the subject is I.
See? You, they, I, we all use do in the present.
Now, does is for he, she, it in the present.
Does he play football? We use does because we are asking about he.
Does she work here? We use does because the subject is she.
It does not matter. We use does because the subject is it.
And notice, when we use does, the main verb has no S at the end.
Wait, what do you mean?
For example, we say, she does work here, not she does works here. The S moves to does, not the main verb.
Oh, so the S is already in does, so we don't add it again to the verb.
Exactly. Very good, Jack.
Say it with me. Do you like music? Does she speak English?
Do you like music? Does she speak English?
Now make your own sentences. Use do with you, we, they.
and does with he, she, it.
Perfect. Now let's talk about did, the past tense helper.
Did is the easiest one because we use it with everyone in the past.
I, you, he, she, we, they. It doesn't matter. In the past, always did.
Did you eat breakfast this morning? Past question, so did.
Did he call you yesterday? Past question, so did.
I did not watch TV last night. Past negative, so did.
Did they enjoy the party? Past question about they, still did.
And, just like does, when we use did, the main verb goes back to its simple form.
We say, did you go to school, not did you went to school.
This is a very common mistake. Did already shows the past, so the main verb stays simple.
Did you go, not did you went. Did she eat, not did she ate.
Say it with me. Did you go to school today? I did not watch that movie.
Did you go to school today? I did not watch that movie.
Excellent! Did for all past questions and negatives. Simple form of the main verb, that's the rule.
You are doing amazingly well. Keep going. Now let's see do, does, and did in a real conversation. Emily and Jack are at home in the morning.
Good morning, Emily. Do you want some tea?
Good morning, Jack. Yes, please. Do we have milk?
I don't think so. Does your brother drink all the milk again?
Yes, he always does that every single morning.
Did you talk to him about it yesterday?
Yes, I did. I told him, please leave some milk for the morning.
And did he listen?
Emily pointing at empty milk carton. What do you think?
I think he did not listen at all.
Emily picking up phone. I will call him right now. Does he usually wake up this early?
Jack shaking his head. No, he does not wake up early. He sleeps until noon.
Emily calling anyway. I do not care. He did drink all the milk, so he will wake up.
Jack to viewers. Did you catch all three words? Do for questions with you and we. Does for he. Did for past actions.
Emily to the viewers, laughing. And the lesson here? Always leave milk for your family in the morning.
Jack nodding seriously. Very important life lesson.
Now let's hear another conversation, this time at school between two students.
Jack, did you do the homework last night?
Of course I did. Did you forget again?
I did not forget. I just ran out of time.
Do you always run out of time, or do you just not plan well?
I plan. I do plan. I just did not start on time.
Jack, does the teacher check homework at the beginning of class?
She does. She always does. What do I do now?
Do you remember the main points from the lesson?
I do remember a little. Yes.
Good. Then quickly write what you remember. Does the teacher count late homework?
I think she does accept late homework, but she takes marks off.
Okay, do your best right now and talk to the teacher after class.
Thank you, Emily. Do you always know what to do?
I do try my best. Now stop talking and start writing.
Did you notice? Do with I and you, does with she, did for past actions, all in one natural conversation.
This is how real English sounds. Easy, natural, and flowing. Okay, now, very important part. Let's talk about the most common mistakes learners make.
And, as always, I have personally made every single one of these mistakes.
We know, Jack, your mistakes are our best teaching material.
Happy to help. Always happy to help.
Okay, mistake number 1. Many learners say, does you like pizza?
Brr. Wrong. You needs do, not does. We say, do you like pizza?
Does is only for he, she, it. Never for you, I, we, they.
Mistake number 2. Did she went to the market?
Wrong. When we use did, the main verb stays simple. We say, did she go to the market?
Did already shows past, so never use went, ate, played after did. Always go, eat, play.
Mistake number 3. She does not likes tea.
Brr. Wrong. When we use does, the main verb has no S. We say, she does not like tea.
The S is already in does. Never add it again to the main verb.
Mistake number 4. I did not ate dinner last night.
Wrong again. Simple form after did. We say, I did not eat dinner last night.
And mistake number 5. Do he speak English?
He needs does, not do. We say, does he speak English?
So, remember, check 2 things before you speak. Who is the subject, and is it present or past?
I, you, we, they, present, do. He, she, it, present, does. Everyone, past, did.
Say it one more time with us. Do, does, did.
Slowly and clearly, do, does, did.
Perfect. You are getting so good at this.
One more conversation, this time at a restaurant.
Excuse me, do you have a table for 2?
Of course, right this way. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. I called yesterday. The name is Jack.
Perfect. Here is your table. Do you need a menu?
Yes, please. Oh, does this restaurant serve vegetarian food?
It does. We have a full vegetarian menu.
Wonderful. And did the chef make anything special today?
He did. Today's special is mushroom pasta. It is absolutely delicious.
Does it come with bread?
It does. Fresh bread and salad, both included.
Perfect. I will have that, please. Oh, do you have fresh orange juice?
We do. Freshly squeezed every morning.
Wonderful. Did I make a good choice coming here today?
You did. Our customers always leave very happy.
Did you catch everything? Do for questions with you and I, does for it and the chef, did for past questions.
And now you can confidently order food at any restaurant in English.
Speaking of food, can we actually eat now? I am very hungry.
After the lesson, Jack. After the lesson. Amazing! Now let's review everything, all in one place.
Yes, your complete guide to do, does, and did right here.
Number 1. Do you like coffee? Present question. You.
Number 2, I do not understand. Present negative, I.
Number 3. Do they speak English? Present question. They.
Number 4, does he play football? Present question, he.
Number 5. She does not like tea. Present negative. She.
Number 6, does it matter? Present question, it.
Number 7. Did you go to school today? Past question. You.
Number 8, I did not watch TV last night. Past negative, I.
Number 9. Did she eat breakfast? Past question. She.
Number 10, they did not come to the party. Past negative, they.
And our golden rule one final time. Together.
I, you, we, they, present, do.
He, she, it, present, does.
Everyone, past, did.
Say it with us. Do, does, did.
Do, does, did.
One more time. Do, does, did.
Yes, now you will never forget them.
You have worked so hard today. 10 phrases, 3 powerful words, and now you understand everything completely.
Practice these every day. Use them in your conversations, and they will feel completely natural very soon. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson.
What an amazing lesson today, Jack. Do you agree?
Do I agree? Emily, I did not expect this lesson to be so good, but it absolutely was.
See how naturally Jack used do and did just now?
I did, and I do feel very good about it.
And you are feeling more confident too. We can feel it.
Today you learned 3 very important words: do, does, and did.
I, you, we, they in the present, do. He, she, it in the present, does. Everyone in the past, did.
You heard 3 real conversations at home, at school, and at a restaurant.
And you learned the most common mistakes, so now you will never make them.
Now, homework time. Go to the comments below and write 3 sentences.
1 sentence with do, 1 with does, and 1 with did.
For example, do you learn English every day? Does your friend speak English? Did you watch this video until the end?
We hope you did watch until the end because you are here, and that makes us so happy.
And if today's lesson was helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. It really means the world to us.
Inviting subscribers to Daily English Talks, and share this video with a friend who gets confused with do, does, and did.
After this video, those confusing days are over forever.
New lessons every week, easy, fun, and real English just for you.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and never give up on your English journey.
Emotional and warm, we believe in every single one of you watching right now. You are doing absolutely amazing.
Together, cheerful, thank you so much for learning with us today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.